Here's a 2016 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, integrated navigation system, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.